All right, campers, let's be real. We've all been there. The endless wait for water, or a unit that just quits when you need it most. These frustrating moments remind us a reliable camp stove is crucial, not just a luxury. It's about less hassle, more outdoor enjoyment. Today, we're cutting through the noise to show you 7 camp stoves that actually work, whether you're a minimalist backpacker or setting up the ultimate base camp. Let's find your next outdoor cooking MVP. So first up, let's talk about the Coleman Triton 2-burner propane stove. Now, if you've been out camping even a few times, you've probably seen one of these around a picnic table somewhere. This thing's built by Coleman, which a lot of people already trust for outdoor gear. What stood out right away for us was the way it handles cooking for more than one person. You get 2 burners, both running 11,000 BTUs, which means you can boil water on one side while gently simmering chili or pasta sauce on the other. That kind of control just makes camp cooking feel a little more like home. Now, when the wind picks up, you'll really notice those side wind guards doing their job. The flame stays strong, which helps save fuel too. Plus, the push-button start means no messing with matches when you're hungry and tired. We liked how you could fit a 12-inch and a 10-inch pan at the same time. It folds up neat with a latch and handle, which made it easy to carry back to the car. So yeah, it's not flashy, but it just works. Next up is the Camp Chef Kodiak from their Mountain series, and this one's for folks who want that middle ground. Compact size, but still enough power to cook real meals. It's got 2 burners, each putting out 10,000 BTUs, which is plenty for most dishes you'd be making at camp. We liked how slim it was when packed up, just 3.5 inches tall. That made a real difference when loading it in the trunk with the rest of the gear. One nice thing is how the lid flips into a windscreen, so you're not carrying extra parts around. Plus, there's built-in storage inside for the regulator, which helps keep everything in one place. We were able to fit 2 cast iron pans on the 200 square inch surface and cook breakfast for the crew without juggling things around. The matchless ignition worked every time, which is a big help when your hands are cold in the morning. It's light, compact, and still packs enough heat to handle group meals without being a pain to carry or clean. Now, moving over to something with serious heat, the Stansport 2-burner stove with grill really caught our attention. If you're the kind of camper who needs to feed a group fast, this thing is a beast. Each main burner hits 25,000 BTUs, and there's a smaller 5,500 BTU center burner for griddle stuff like pancakes or hot dogs. So while one side is frying bacon, the middle's working on hash browns, and the other burner's boiling water for coffee, it's that kind of setup. It's built tough too, with a steel frame and stainless steel drip pan that makes cleanup not so bad. We liked the way each burner has its own windscreen, so even if conditions shift during breakfast, your flame stays steady. The electronic ignition fired up without fail, and the cooking grate handled heavy pots without bending. It's a little heavier than others here, around 14 pounds, but that extra weight makes it feel steady when cooking. After that, we've got the Camp Chef Explorer, which is what we'd call the heavy-duty choice for serious camp cooks. This one's not your usual tabletop stove, it's a full-on outdoor cooking station with legs. Each burner throws out a massive 30,000 BTUs, which is more than most home kitchens. That kind of heat means you can bring big pots to a boil, fast, or sear steaks like you would on a grill. The burners are spaced out with a big 448 square inch cooking area, so you're not bumping pans into each other. We also appreciated how the legs come off for packing, but still feel solid once they're attached. There's a 3-sided windscreen that wraps around the burners, keeping things stable, even when the wind kicks up. Another cool feature is that it works with Camp Chef's accessories, like their pizza oven or grill box, which adds more ways to cook outdoors. It's bigger and heavier than most stoves here, but if you're setting up a weekend base camp, this one's built to run the whole kitchen. Now, if you're a backpacker, and when the packing space is tight and every ounce counts, the Primus Fire Stick is one slick little stove that punches way above its weight. Folds down into a clean, snag-free cylinder that slides right into a pack or frame bag without catching on your gear. Whether you're out on a backwoods trail, hitching it to the side of your bike, or setting up camp solo under the stars, this stove's built for folks who'd rather move light and fast than mess with bulky cook setups. You can control the flame from a roaring boil to a low simmer. Perfect for making a cup of joe or simmering soup in a 1-liter pot. And when it's stashed, those folding pot supports guard the burner head like a steel cage. No sharp bits, nothing to scratch your stuff. It's got a matchstick-style piezo igniter in the kit, and even a soft wool pouch that doubles as a pot gripper. But windy conditions can be an issue with this one. Gets a little wobbly with big pots or a side gust blowing through. Still, for short trips, bikepacking runs, or going solo, this stove's hard to beat when it comes to packability and control. Just make sure you pack a windscreen. But wait, there's more. We also spent some quality time with the Rex-Tac 2-burner camping stove, which might surprise you because it comes at a very lower price. This one is clearly built for folks who want good heat and portability without paying for bells and whistles. Each burner here puts out around 10,000 BTUs, which is more than enough to get pasta water boiling or a stir-fry going in a cast iron pan. It's got independent knobs, so you can manage both burners separately, which helped when we were simmering soup on one side while frying burgers on the other. The ignition system kicked on easy, no matches needed. It's got wind guards built in, which really helped the flame stay steady at our riverside spot. What stood out was how compact it packed down. Super easy to carry, especially with that locking latch. We noticed it stayed steady on the picnic table, even with heavier pots. For the price, it delivers more than expected. If you're looking for reliable cooking power in a lightweight, no-hassle stove, Rex-Tac pulls its weight. Last up, we've got the JetBoil Genesis Base Camp System. This one feels like it was made for folks who want real cooking options out there, not just boiling water. It runs 2 burners, both pushing 10,000 BTUs, but what really makes it stand out is how precise the flame control is. You can simmer stew slowly or get water boiling quick without burning stuff. The whole thing folds in like a book and packs down with a handle, which is awesome for car campers who like to stay organized. There's a push-button ignition that works without fuss, and the cooking surface fits larger pans comfortably. It's also built to hook into JetBoil accessories, so if you already use their gear, this just fits in. What really impressed us was how steady it stayed, even with wind, and how little fuel it used to get things done. We made breakfast, lunch, and dinner with this thing over a weekend, and it didn't let up. The Genesis Base Camp system from JetBoil is compact, efficient, and works like something made for serious backcountry meals. So those are our takes on the best camping stoves for every outdoor chef, each with its unique benefits and features. We hope this video gives you a good idea of the possibilities and helps you make the right choice for your needs. Let us know if you have any further questions or would like to share your thoughts in the comments below. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.